This guide shows the initial ink supply on the English interface for LINX 9810 and 9830. Before filling, confirm the correct ink and solvent types for the printer. Open Main menu, select Printer Setup, enter Installation, and choose Ink/Solvent. Select the matching ink and solvent code, then confirm the setting. Open the fluid compartment and insert the ink and solvent cartridges in their correct positions. After both cartridges are seated, return to Main menu and open Maintenance. Enter Valve Test. This item appears only after signing in with the administrator or advanced password. On the Valve Test screen, tap Ink Cartridge. Its indicator becomes solid, showing that it is enabled. Set transfer pump from off to on. The printer now draws ink into the service module automatically. Monitor the service module level. During filling, SM high shows low. When it changes to OK, filling is complete. Set transfer pump back to off, then tap Ink Cartridge again to disable it. Exit Valve Test, return to the home screen, and start the printer normally. This completes the first ink supply procedure for a new LINX 9810 or 9830 printer.